Pyro is a life affirmer. He thinks that a good part of suffering can be neutralized by the human race getting to some civilized place where we function in some better efficiency, and that there's some purpose in that. And I would argue there's only purpose in that if that's all the best we can do. But unfortunately, the real context here is that as hard as that would be to create some civilization where people aren't exploited, when one class of people don't have to do work for another class of people, or to get rid of all the inequity, all the harsh suffering, the end game, what you have in the end, is still something where you have to wonder why you would create more of it. How many human beings have to exist before we say there's enough human beings? Would you create multiple universes full of human beings? I mean, a dozen. If there was 12 consciousnesses on planet Earth, you would be feeling or sensing that somehow it was insufficient number, right? You'd say, no, there needs to be more. We need millions. And if we have millions of consciousnesses, you're going to say, what? No, we need more. We need billions. And then zillions, and then gazillions, and goulillions, and whatever the number is. Because it's such a spectacular, perfectly wonderful thing of no consequence, nothing beyond trivial consequence. And I mean, Pyro will run from that characterization, but it's implicit in his affirmation of consumption and reproduction as a platform to build a system on. And that's what this is built on, consumption and reproduction. And he thinks matter in this animated state, like Professor Anton, he has this presumption, this statement of this is the way it is, but without any explanation, that this nature is the way to go. That matter being in the form of this rock is matter being in some sort of lesser state. I mean, qualitatively lesser somehow, because it doesn't have a desire impulse and a capacity to be heartbroken or to be afraid or horrified or terrified or some other affied